Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Instagram link to your YouTube channel. Let's get started. Our first step is to access the Instagram app. Go to your Instagram profile by tapping the bottom right corner at your screen. Look for the Share Profile button and then tap it. Then, select Copy Link, which will copy the link to your Instagram profile to your device's clipboard. Now, close your Instagram app and switch over to a web browser, such as Safari. Go to studio.youtube.com, and if prompted to try the YouTube Studio app, simply select Continue to Studio. Remember that it is essential to use your web browser and not the Studio app. Once you're inside the YouTube Studio, you can adjust the screen size as needed. And in the left menu, click on Customization, which is the magic wand icon. Then select Basic Info. Scroll down until you see Add Link. Click on it and provide a title for the link. As for me, I'll name it Instagram. And in the URL field, paste the link you copied earlier. To save your changes, just click Done, and that's it. You've successfully added your Instagram link to your YouTube channel. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!